ChatGPT-5 capabilities, a practical overview of advanced features. Have you ever considered what the next leap in AI truly means for your daily life and work? We're diving into ChatGPT-5 today, not just as a concept, but as a very practical tool with advanced features. It's already reshaping how we interact with technology every single day. This isn't about theoretical breakthroughs. It's truly about what you can do with it. By the end of this video, you'll understand the true capabilities of ChatGPT-5 and how its practical applications are setting a brand new standard for efficiency and innovation, giving you a clear edge in our rapidly evolving digital landscape. When we talk about artificial intelligence, the ability to think has always been the ultimate objective. ChatGPT-5 takes a significant step forward, specifically in this area, with its enhanced reasoning capabilities. This means it can truly process even the most complex information, identify very subtle patterns, and draw highly nuanced conclusions, far beyond previous models. How does this translate into practical, everyday use? Imagine needing to analyze vast and complex data sets, not just for simple trends, but for underlying correlations that aren't immediately obvious. ChatGPT-5 can sift through millions of data points, identifying key relationships between seemingly unrelated pieces of crucial information. For instance, in business, it could correlate customer feedback from various different channels with sales data and market trends, revealing unexpected insights into consumer behavior or critical product demand. This isn't just about raw data crunching. It's about uncovering the why behind all of those numbers, providing actionable intelligence previously difficult or impossible to obtain without extensive human analysis. Consider a legal professional reviewing hundreds of case documents. Instead of just identifying keywords, ChatGPT-5 can truly understand the context of legal arguments, infer potential precedents, and even highlight subtle inconsistencies across many different cases. This ability to reason at a much higher level transforms raw data into strategic understanding. Previous AI models primarily excelled in one domain, usually text. ChatGPT-5 introduces true multimodal integration, meaning it can seamlessly process and also generate content across various different forms: text, images, audio, and even video. This is a true game changer for how we create and how we consume information. What does this advanced feature actually look like in real-world applications? Think about content creation. Instead of hiring separate specialists for script writing, image generation, and voiceover, a single GPT-5 system could potentially generate an entire complete video from just a simple text prompt. Provide it with an idea for a new marketing campaign, and it could produce the ad copy, design all the visuals, and even generate a voiceover, all while maintaining a consistent brand voice and style. Or consider interactive education. A student could ask a question using only their voice, and ChatGPT-5 could respond with a combination of spoken explanation, a relevant image, and a short text summary, all in real time. This dynamic interplay between different data types opens up entirely new avenues for learning and engagement. It's about breaking down the silos between different media forms, allowing for a truly holistic approach to information processing and content generation. This capability truly transforms how we interact with AI, making it far more intuitive and aligned with how humans naturally communicate. One of the most transformative advancements in ChatGPT-5 is its significant leap into autonomous agent capabilities. This isn't just about responding to simple prompts. It's about the AI taking initiative, planning multi-step tasks, and executing them with minimal human oversight. How is this applied in practical scenarios? Imagine an AI assistant that doesn't just answer your questions, but actively manages your projects. You could assign it a goal like plan a marketing campaign for our brand new product, and ChatGPT-5 could then independently research market trends, identify target demographics, draft content strategies, and even schedule social media posts. It would learn from its successes and also its failures, adapting its approach to achieve the best outcome. This goes beyond simple automation. It's about delegation to an intelligent entity that can proactively solve problems in a customer service setting. An autonomous ChatGPT-5 agent could handle complex inquiries from start to finish, diagnosing issues, accessing relevant knowledge bases, and even initiating follow-up actions without human intervention. This frees up human staff to focus on more complex or sensitive cases. The key here is the AI's ability to not only understand instructions, but to anticipate needs and then act upon them, transforming a reactive tool into a proactive partner in various operational workflows. This shift fundamentally redefines the role of AI from a mere responder to an active participant in problem-solving and task execution. With increasing capabilities comes a much greater need for robust security and ethical considerations. ChatGPT-5 is designed with enhanced guardrails to minimize biases, prevent any misuse, and ensure responsible deployment, making it safer and much more reliable for sensitive applications. What does this mean for practical implementation? In critical sectors like healthcare or finance, where AI decisions can have a significant impact, the enhanced ethical framework of ChatGPT-5 provides a strong layer of trustworthiness. For example, in medical diagnostics, while previous models might inadvertently amplify biases present within training data, ChatGPT-5's design actively works to mitigate such potential issues, ensuring fairer and more equitable outcomes. This means that when the AI provides a diagnosis or a financial recommendation, it does so with a higher degree of transparency and a reduced risk of harmful bias. Furthermore, its security features are far more advanced, protecting against data breaches and malicious manipulations. For businesses handling sensitive client information, deploying ChatGPT-5 may answer reduced risk of exposing confidential data. The focus is on building AI that is not only powerful, but also inherently secure and closely aligned with human values. This commitment to ethical AI development ensures that as GPT-5 becomes more integrated into our daily lives, its impact remains positive and consistently trustworthy, addressing concerns about safety and accountability head-on. If GPT-4 felt like a powerful assistant, GPT-5 is rapidly evolving into a fully integrated partner. Its enhanced reasoning, multimodal capabilities, autonomous agent functions, and robust ethical framework represent a significant leap forward. This isn't just about theoretical advancements. It's about tangible features that are truly redefining how we work, create, and interact with the digital world. And this is only the beginning.